Bringing tube bending in-house improve your shop's ROI or even open up a new revenue stream? Before we get into the numbers, let's talk about this job while I set up the machine. This customer came to us, already having experience with our machine, and is okay with sharing the details with you because it's going to help make his case to his employer why this is a good investment for their shop. Right now, we're doing a setup piece, marking out all the details on it so that if anything goes wrong, we can fix it for the production run. If you like content like this, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. Alright, so now we got our test piece done here. You can see that's where we put our clamp block, start of bends right where it's supposed to be, and the end of bends right where it's supposed to be. We just verified it on the table. We're at 105.3 degrees. Our target is 105.6. We have a 1 degree tolerance on this part, which is a mile long. So we're going to call this good. Alright, so we're going to do the production run now, 5 parts in a row. We're going to time lapse this, but we're going to time it so that we can get an accurate ROI. You can see that we have 3:01 on the timer already. That is from doing all the clamp blocks on all 5 tubes before we started shooting. On our website, you'll see that we charge at the top of the market for single and short run bends. For this order, we're charging $43 per bend, a $55 setup fee, and we charge for 15 feet of material. We apply a 10 to 20% markup based on the quantity and how fast we have to get it. We always procure enough material for a setup piece and potential scrap. Setting up the machine and completing our test piece took just under 15 minutes. Producing all 5 pieces in sequence took another 15 minutes. That's 30 minutes in labor at $30 an hour. We charge $390 for the total job. Subtract the $100 for our material, a delivery and processing fee, and $15 in labor. We made $275 in profit. That's $550 an hour. So if this is a job shop, that's how much you made per hour running the machine. If you're just bringing this in-house, you saved $97.44 per part because you didn't have to pay all the profit that the shop made and you didn't have to pay for the shipping. Whichever way you look at it, the bender typically can pay for itself in the first medium to large job.